Hey guys, if you can't find the university option in the education section on Facebook, don't worry. Facebook has changed these settings and many users are facing the same issue. In this video, I will show you how to fix the university option not showing problem and add your university to your Facebook profile. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. Then tap on your profile picture. After that, tap on the edit icon. Now scroll down and here you can see the education section. Here you tap on high school or college option. As you can see, the university option is not available here. So don't worry. In 2026, Facebook no longer provides a separate university option. Now you can add your university through the college option. So here tap on add college. Then search for your university name. Select your university from the search results. After that, enter the required details if you want, and finally tap on save. That's it, your university has been successfully added to your Facebook profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.